Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to easily rename your chats in Gemini. So if you are trying to keep your Gemini conversations organized, renaming your chats is a quick and easy way to do it. So I will show you how you can easily do this. So first open up Gemini on your any of your favorite browsers. I have Chrome over here. Let's say for example, these are all of my chat history over here, right? I'm going to click on a specific chat window or chat history. And this is actually the name of that specific chat box, all right? However, if you want to rename this, you can click on this button over here, three dots, then here, rename. Just click on that option. And this chat or image I generated is actually from a Warhammer franchise. I'm just going to type Warhammer 40K and then click on rename. Oh, okay. So I'm going to rename this back. You can actually do this over here. If you made any mistakes, click on rename and that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. So renaming your chats in Gemini only takes a few seconds once you know where to locate this option. This can make managing your conversation history much more convenient, especially if you're using Gemini frequently for work, study, and personal projects. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.